Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to catch the hyper jelly and fish it. So this fish is part of the quest that you need to complete if you want to unlock the free bait skin, the Nautical Trinket, and so pay close attention for this tutorial. First, just head over to the Planetary Observatory Island, but remember this hyper jelly only spawns at the night, so make sure you are fishing during nighttime in game. This one, this hyper jelly, and since this is a legendary tier fish, you will need a strong rod. I recommend using at least the Coswin rod or even the bamboo rod if that's your best available options. And once you are in the right locations and time, just keep fishing patiently, and it may take a few tries since legendary fish are rare. And okay, that's it. Just keep grinding until you catch the hyper jelly and complete your quest for the Nautical Trinket Bait Skin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!